I would add 5 to both sides. So I got negative 3x equals 27. And then I would divide by negative 3. And I would get negative 9. So A is the correct answer there. Again, on these, you can always plug it back in to see if it makes sense.
Wait, what happened to the 5? Oh, you put the 5 on.
I added 5 first.
You need to get rid of it.
Gotta get rid of it. And that's how I got 27. This one, I got just a number in front of the variable. So I got divide by negative 8. Negative 64 divided by negative 8. Positive 8. Next one.
Hold on, you're going too fast. I'm still in question.
You have S's on both sides.
This is why you show your work.
Well, when you get your work wrong, you gotta show it right again.
You have S's on both sides. How do you get rid of the S? You gotta get them on one side. So I'm gonna subtract S. What's 6S minus an S? Nope. 6 apples minus 1 apple. Still 5 apples, right? And then you divide by 5.
Yeah, I got it right.
Yeah, I got that one right too.
Next one, you have 2 options here. You can distribute or just divide by the number in front of the parentheses. What would you like to do? Distribute or divide by the number in front of the parenthesis?
Distribute.
Distribute. So then I'm going to get 3y minus 9 equals 18. I got to get rid of the minus 9.
Plus 9.
What is S? I'm not confused.
I did not do it that way.
And then divide by 3.
I still got it right, but I didn't do it that way.
6y and
How does that go?
6y
Oh.
equals 18, which would be.
It's not 6y.
But if you took the. Oh, wait. Now I see what I did wrong. I added the 3s.
All right, last one.
Okay, hold on. 4.
How do you get rid of that plus 3?
Minus 3.
21 minus 3.
18.
Divide by negative 9.
Negative 2.
All right, so how do we do so far?
I only got
Hold on,
one
I'm
wrong.
still writing.
I
I
got
don't
all
know.
of them right.
I got
I got number 4 wrong. That's it.
All right, again, that's how much work you should be showing. We've been doing these for a very long time, not just this unit.
Okay, 5.
Question number 1 now, the word problems. Trina and her brothers, Marcus and James. So again, I'm going to write that out. Trina, James, Marcilius. Put all their money on the kitchen table. James had 2 times as much as Trina. Marcus had 2 times as much as Trina. The total they have is 100. Okay, how much does Trina have? X. You have no idea. How much does James have?
2x.
2 times as much. How much does Marcus have?
2x.
2x. And then if I add all those together, what do I get? 100. So x plus 2x plus 2x equals 100. Kira, I heard you say that's 5x. That's correct. And then I get x equals
X equals 20.
20. Now, where some of us messed up, Kira, your name comes in my head on this last assignment. Now you got to plug it back in. How much does Trina have? 20. How much does James have? 40. How much does Marcus have? 40. And you'll notice there's not that equal that. This one is actually a misprint. That should be 40 on that one.
Haha.
Yeah. I was gonna ask you about that,
Yeah.
and I just did. But then I just realized maybe it's this one.
That was a misprint. Question 2. Two friends start driving from two different cities. The cities are 330 miles apart. They're driving towards each other. 50 miles an hour and 60 miles an hour. How long? So I'm looking for time. So 50 miles per hour and 60 miles per hour. Do you know how long they're driving?
No.
No. So it's 50x plus 60x equals? How far apart are they?
330.
Landon, what's 50x plus 60x?
50x plus 60x, that's 120. Or 110.
Now what?
I was going to say divide.
Divide by 110. Yep.
Divide, yeah.
And x equals?
You got it.
Oh, I got it. Oh, I was close.
Last one. Till I can figure out how to print off the new part 3. All right, two dogs are in a fight. Jason runs up and scares the two dogs, so they will stop fighting. The big dog is running at 15 feet per second. Small dog is 10 feet per second. How long before they're
Small dog running.
75 feet apart? This is just like the problem we just did. Okay, first one is 15x. Second one is 10x. And they equal 75. 15 plus 10?
25.
And what's x?
3.
Oh, I got it right again. Oh, goodness.
Last one, same thing again. Leo is
Wait,
6x.
Did you divide
Mary is
25 and
4x.
75?
Yes. Divide by 25.
Landon, did you show your work?
Equals 150. 6x plus 4x
10x.
equals 150. Divide by 10.